Yo, good afternoon, everybody. How you doing? This is your Coach Renz, and I want to guarantee to you guys that if you finish watching this video and do what I'm telling you to do at the end of this video to join this program, I guarantee that you will gain financial wealth, financial independence. I guarantee that you will be able to fix your credit, clean things off your credit, and then have a strategy for constantly being able to monitor and maintain a high credit score, because we know that credit is more important in today's world than cash. That credit is king, where cash used to be king. Now it's about your credit. I want to tell you guys a little story, paint you a picture. You see, Coach Renz didn't always have it together. And even in having it together, things sometimes happen. Life happens. I know it happens to you guys as well. See, a few years ago, I got divorced. Now, in the midst of that divorce, we had to go through the process because we owned a company. I also owned some other companies. There was property involved. There was a lot involved. So it took 2 years to get a divorce. And during that 2-year time frame, my credit suffered. It dropped all the way down to 426. 426, right? It dropped all the way down to 426. By the time the divorce was final, my credit score was 426. Now, I began to work on my credit. And within a year, my credit score had jumped over 200 points. So I was in the mid 600s after a year. I know many people talk about, oh, I can change it in 30 days and 90 days. It depends on what's on your credit and what you have to do, and your resources that you have at your disposal. It determines how long it takes. But realistically, anyone promising you something in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, it sounds too good to be true. Why? Because it is. Because it is too good to be true. I'm telling you people the real, actual, factual, not what you want to hear. I'm telling you what you need to hear. And at Financial on Fire, that's exactly what I'm going to tell you, what you need to hear, all the steps it takes, and the if-then situations. And that's a lot of that's missing, because I had some if-then situations. So I got my credit score back up into the mid 600s. I'm going pretty good. I'm getting ready to move up into that 700 club so I can get to that 740 club, get to that 800 club, right? So I'm moving. Now at these levels, you start to get more specific as to what you have to do based on how much money you make, right? And based on how much credit you have. So now I'm starting to work the system even more. But guess what happened? We still had a few shared accounts. One of those accounts that I was responsible for in the divorce decree that I was responsible for, had been making payments on for 2 years faithfully. She decided to put on her bankruptcy. All of a sudden, my credit score dropped from the mid 600s to 501. I didn't know what was going on. So once I requested and saw everything was happening, it took 3 months to get the company that I was working on to pay off this one bill. I only had 4 months left, but it took 3 months just to get them to remove their status and finalize it and finish it. My secured credit card, once they saw that I had an item in bankruptcy, they canceled the secured credit card, paid off what was on it, and sent me a refund check. It took them 4 months to send me the refund check. But this line of credit just got closed. All my other lines of credit, which were secured credits, all began to close because she had filed that. So it was the if-then situation. So what did I do? Well, I picked myself up. It took me a while to get everything taken off, to get everything squared away, to get everything, situated. But it took me a couple of months to get everything situated, and then I started again. I sent out my 609 letters. I went out and I secured the right types of credit that I needed in order to build my score back up. And now my score has jumped up another 100 points. It's jumped up 100 points in the last 3 months. I want to teach you guys how to do this. But I also want to teach you guys how to build wealth, how to have financial independence, how you set yourself up so that you don't have to worry about your bills being paid. You don't have to worry about whether or not you're going to have income during your retirement. To not have to worry that, can I live on half of what I'm making now when I retire? No, you can live on much more than what you're making now when you retire. I'm going to teach you guys investment strategies. But I got to get you ready first. If your credit is in the 400s, the 500s, the 600s, then I want to teach you how to increase. And I'm not just going to give you a theory. I'm going to tell you where to go, places to go to set yourself up. companies that have great programs for you to be able to utilize their products in order to get you into the right credit situations, and so you can build on it. How to get yourself in the right situation and then get yourself in the right mindset. That's what we're going to do at Financially on Fire. So go to my website, CoachRenz.com. You will find it there where you can join and do the webinar. That's where you pay for it. But then also that's where you invest in yourself. But also go over to my Facebook page, facebook.com/CoachRenz33. Go there so that you can know what's the next opportunity. When's the next opportunity for you to be able to grow your credit, for you to grow into your financial independence, for you to be able to buy what you want to buy, but do it in a way that builds you and not destroy you. A system for being able to identify what are good investments for you to get a good return on your money, and what investments you need to avoid. Which ones you need to avoid, and how to get into the right mindset. What are the traits that makes a person successful financially? I'm going to teach you this. It's going to be a 2-night webinar, a couple of hours each night. You'll be able to ask questions. You'll be able to get your questions answered. I can't guarantee all of them will get answered or every question will get answered. Depends on how many people are on for each one. And then you'll have access to this information for months and months and months. You'll have access to that same video to be able to go back and do it again. You'll have the tools that you need. You'll have the 609 letter. You'll know what links to go to get certain things and to process certain things. I'm going to show you how to suppress some of your information that's being given out freely. I'm going to tell you where to go in order to do that and how to make sure it happens and it stays that way. I'm going to teach you things that the credit industry don't want you to know about. They don't want you to know about. So I'm going to teach you these secrets. And as I learn more, because I'm always the student as well as the teacher, as I learn more, I will make sure that I come back and we teach more. That each time we get better and better and better. And as things change, we get better and better and better. You can have the financial life that you desire at whatever level you desire it. You just have to be willing to invest in yourself. And that's the question. Are you willing? And are you ready to invest in yourself? If you are, then sign up for the next seminar. Sign up today. Don't dilly-dally. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate, because procrastination is the killer of all dreams. It's the killer of all levels of success. Procrastination will destroy everything in your life that you desire to have in your life if you allow it. So come and join us. Join us. Join us at Financially on Fire, and you will see success. As I have already taught this to so many people, you will see success. So y'all have a great day. Remember, you got to free yourself to be yourself, because your greatness is non-negotiable.